They are growing beautifully. Yes, they are. I think we're going to pick this one real soon. Main reason, because I don't want something else to get it before I do. Yeah, look at that. Look at them grow. They are absolutely beautiful. Now I've got the celery tied up. I'll show you. Just lightly. Got a string around them. Just to hold them together so they're going to grow more up because they're growing more out. Okay folks, well, that's it for the garden this morning. Everything is growing beautifully. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.